Hello, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you one more house. We have a busted window right here. And if we're talking about neighborhood, it's really, I like it. It's really quiet, you can see houses are good. We have a stairs that going right there. And let's go inside the house. It's definitely fixer-upper, and it has been for sale by owner, not for sale by owner anymore. Let's see what we have here. So we have one room. Oh, floor is really wobbling. Don't know what was the problem. Okay, not bad, just need to put new flooring. And this is the kitchen. Gonna show you what's inside the kitchen. They have a tile on the floor. Kitchen probably just need fresh coat of paint. I wouldn't say it's something really bad. Floors are bad. It was probably carpet that got wet and they removed it. But we have some problem on a ceiling, I believe. And this is another room. Also another problem on the ceiling. I'm not sure what actually happened here. Oh, and we have a second floor from here. Really hot. Really hot. And you cannot be tall here. But we have another bedroom right here. And possibly another bedroom. I'm not sure if it can count as two. But it's really strange, but there is no problem on the ceiling on the second floor. So that's maybe only plumbing problems that can be fixed, but it's really hot here. I don't think they have any ventilation here on this floor. Let's look for it. Oh no, there is one. There is second one. Third one. So probably it's not just working. And maybe it can count as two bedrooms upstairs. And two bedrooms downstairs. Okay, not sure if this is a bedroom because it has an access to the other bedrooms. One bathroom. So, one bedroom here. And possibly this is another bedroom. And two upstairs. Not sure. It's either 3 or 2. Let's go around the block to see what's going on. Around the house, not around the block. It has a long driveway. No garage though. Okay. No window right here. And this is the backyard, which is fenced. That's how it's looked from outside. It's maybe a good flip or rental if you put some money there. I don't know, guys. This is priced for let me see, $40,000, $39,900. But neighborhood, it's really nice. Okay, let me know what you think. Thank you. If you like the video, please like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. But I appreciate your help, guys. Have a good day.